Who do you want to talk to at the White House?
I need that devil there.
Okay, let's go to the White House.
Here's the only place.
It is the only place.
Yeah.
(911) What is your emergency?
Yeah, I have a customer here that just assaulted another customer and he's throwing stuff everywhere. I need somebody here like now.
Good address.
5900 Burton Parkway, Walmart.
Yeah, what does the person look like?
He's an African American male. He's in plaid pajama pants and he has a black and like gray hoodie on or something.
All right. Yep. Someone will be out.
Do you know how long? Because this guy is throwing stuff around in our store.
It's an emergency run. As soon as the next person's available, they'll be out.
Thank you.
So,
That might be entertaining.
yeah.
You're probably going to need more than you do.
Yeah, let's see.
We have all the customers that were in here in the back of the store.
You're going to say you're not going to make it.
Okay.
Huh?
He's taking stuff out of customers' carts, throwing it out on the ground, went down the aisles and thrown it all over.
Is this him?
No, that's our cook one. He's over here. That guy in the black has been trying to talk to him because he said he works with people with mental health issues.
Nobody will stop me.
So be careful because he's broken.
The only place that can take me is the White House. I know about it. No place. I gotta go. Yeah, just go. Just go.
All right.
Just go.
What's up, buddy?
Just go.
How you doing? Peace. Remember?
All right, put your hand behind your back. Go on.
You want to arrest me? Just arrest me and go.
Peace, brother. That's what you said, right?
I said nobody should say again. If you say you are in trouble, let them go with me. I'm going to the White House. That is the only place they can take me there.
You got anything on you, bud? What is going on, man? Why are you acting
You
like
arrested me?
Why are you acting like this in a store?
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
You want to detain me? Just go and detain me. Just go. I've been in a prison. Central Wire prison for 2 days. I'm not afraid of prison. I will be back. I will be back.
He's got an ID or something on that other side. All right, let's go.
I will be back. Go. Let's go. I will be back for you people. I'm coming back. I'm not going to stay. Let's go. This is what I want. Thou shalt arrest me by inside here. Let's go.
What's your name?
I'm serious. When I come here, I've been in a prison here in America.
Okay.
I'm not afraid of a prison. Take me and go. I'm going to the White House. It's the only place that I can stick there. You got me?
I can put him in my car if you want to try to get the info and stuff, and I'll hold on to it.
Let's go.
He had an ID maybe in that pocket up by you. I couldn't pronounce it. I didn't catch his name, what he said.
ID? You got ID?
I got nothing.
You got ID?
I got nothing.
That was there's no ID in there.
And nothing to happen with my
What's going on today? What happened? Why are you getting
with
so
my
angry?
money, the charger, the phone,
I got it.
and nothing to happen with it. Are you getting me? You arresting me?
We're going to detain you. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm going to the White House. The only place you can take me right is the White House. Yes,
Who do you
the
want
White
Who
House.
do you want to talk to at the White
I
House?
need a senator.
Who do you want to talk to at the White House?
I need that devil there.
Okay, let's go to the White House.
Here's the only place.
It is the only place.
Yeah.
All right, just give us a minute here, and we'll get out.
Call them that you arrested somebody.
Okay.
I need them.
All right, bud. Do you have any ID in there? I could not pronounce that name. Ah, fuck. It's gonna be a pain in the ass trying to figure that name out. Is everybody all right?
That's 4.
I'm not afraid. Let's go.
Route is 57 for Ocean
They already
PD
left?
17
Okay.
Pandora. Says they're tracking a stolen iPad near this location, asking for another car. They have 3 officers on scene currently.
Stuff in like the back and stuff. If you want me to show you it real quick. Do you want me to show you everything he did, or it doesn't matter? Okay.
Yeah, he's mentally unstable or something.
He'll probably go to the hospital first, and then it's up to your guys' store if they want to file any type of damaging charges or anything.
I'll leave that up to the store manager.
We gotta figure out his name though. He's got a real thick accent, and I didn't
Yeah,
catch
because I
it.
couldn't understand him at first. I was like, and then when he started telling me his dad was the president of the company, then I was
He wants to go to the White House, so.
Well, will you have a report number for us, or how will we get that?
Yeah, I can get it for you here in a second.
Will you just bring it back in, or do you want us to wait for it?
If you give me a second, let me gather his things here. I don't. Man, there's a over there. Alright. So you'll probably go to the hospital first, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let's go walk around the store and get on this stuff.
Yeah, there's all that glass. I'll try better with the name. I don't. What's going on? Why are you acting like this?
I'm the son of Abraham.
Okay.
He sent me here. That I should stop all the talk. I try to stop. They don't know what to understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
That is why I'm racing from down there.
173, we have one detained.
Well, why are you going to Walmart and pushing people and breaking stuff?
Yeah.
Why would you
Because
do?
of the tax. I've been here for 2 days. I bought things.
You bought things? Okay.
I bought things here to study what they are doing.
Where did you come from?
Me?
Yeah.
I said I'm the son of God.
You're the son of God?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like there's
What?
a medic station. Do you need one to respond?
What is your first name?
I'm Siri.
You're Siri? How do you spell that?
C-Y-R-I.
C-Y-R-I. Cereal. What's your last name?
Think of that.
Oh, fuck.
I'm the messenger.
How do you spell that? How do you spell your last name?
N-K.
M-K?
E-A-N.
E-E-N?
G-A.
G-E?
F-C-K.
F-C-K.
Yeah.
McKinnon, fuck. Okay. I didn't pronounce that right. Okay, where do you live at? What's your address?
I've been in the prison. Just go by my name, you will see.
You've been to prison before? What for?
Yeah.
What'd you go to prison for?
They arrested me because I met a transgender here.
You did a what?
A gay.
You-
Do you know what is called a gay?
They arrested you because you're gay?
They arrested me that I clashed with a gay,
Oh, you fought with a gay?
with a demon.
Okay. You
That
fought?
is why they arrested me.
Oh, because you assaulted an individual that was
My
gay.
spiritual nature was affecting him.
Okay, when did that
That
happen?
is why he called the police on me.
When did
I
that?
told him I'm not afraid of the police. They should call.
When did you go to jail?
I do not know the day, but I know I went to the jail.
Was it a year ago or
This year,
this year? Was it here in Ohio, in Columbus?
here in Ohio, in Columbus, Central Prison, Ohio.
Central
I
Prison?
slept there for 2 days.
Huh.
Inside AC, without a clothes, without a dress. Take my picture, you'll see me.
Okay.
That is why my father said I should come here.
Do you have a driver's license in Ohio?
I do not have anything.
You don't have an ID or anything?
I do not have anything.
Okay.
That man is the only brother that can bless
Good
me.
guy.
He helped me with food.
They say he went to jail for
What
beating.
happened today? Why are you so upset?
I'm not upset.
Why were you upset in there throwing things
My
around?
father is the one who sent me.
He's the son of God. He
I
said,
stay with my father.
Are you the son of God?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I told him the prison.
I got you.
said he beat a gay individual up as well. He went to prison recently. Because being a son. So,
I'm the firstborn.
okay. What was that? Oh, I thought it was a phone or
Did you
something.
give her the incident number?
I told her just taking her to the hospital. This it,
Riverside?
sure. He's been, I mean, we cuffed him right away, so he's in cuffs, but I don't know. It's some like just came over from Africa. Siri, he's pronounced it like Siri, but it's C-R-Y-R-I-O. Yeah, so he was busting stuff up and pushing people down in Walmart and just losing his mind. So I don't know what his story is. Want to step on out here? Yeah. What's up, brother? Yeah. Let me give you his 40 and I'm going to move my car here real quick. Yeah. You can read my handwriting. You want me to rewrite it real quick?
C-R-Y-R-I-L. Where'd you go to school?
I'm just writing fast, sorry. Now, this is the best I can do for you. What is that, an E-E-F-C-K? This, I mean, he spelled this shit out for me, so I don't know.
Give her a shot.
Is this the accident on Sawmill?
Yeah, Sawmill West Case.
We're down here with somebody else, but I'm going to grab some of his info.
Okay.
You doing all right?
63.
Is anybody else in the car with you? No.